Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Harley bank app hack. So let's click to dive into it. You want to get more value from Harley app? Use the bucket to create goal specific port, then automate transfer into each one and enable roundup. Surprise savings, so spot change and schedule moves. Build your goal without thinking. Add booster or recurring transfer for higher priority goals and set up early direct deposit so paycheck hit your account now and start earning interest faster. Lock down and control spending with the apps card control. Turn your debit card off or on, set up merchant, location or spending limit and get instant alert for hot activities. Use Coverdraft as a fee-free overdraft safety and also take advantage of Harley's ATM fee reimbursement and remote e-check deposits to keep access easy. Finally, enable biometric login and push notifications so security and monitoring are effortless. So if this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick banking hack, and tell me which Harley features you want a deep dive on next. And that's it.